Monday 19 June 2023, about 9:15 AM, Lentor Loop, Singapore. I'm doing a documentary video on this plant. This plant bears oranges or orange-like or lime-like fruits. I don't know the exact name, but it is a very commonly seen here in Lentor Loop. It's planted by N Parks. I've checked the websites, but I can't find this plant on N Parks website. I'm doing a video to show the fruits. I've seen small flowers, small white flowers, but it's very rare to see lime or oranges being shown here, being grown. I shall stop now.